There are people who go through different skin conditions such as redness, itching, or dryness. Fungal outgrowth is the reason why this is happening, or some bacteria can be the cause too. You can find various medications on the internet that are not effective, thus, we will show you a straightforward way to cure vinegar bath. Apple cider vinegar is a fascinating ingredient, which can make a miracle for your skin. It is full of vitamins, as well as minerals, and they are consumed by your skin in the process of bath. Therefore, you can add 1 to 2 cups of it to your bath, and it will restore your skin and your health too. How to take a vinegar bath. First of all, you should fill your tub with warm to hot water, and put in it 1 to 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. Bathe for 20 to 30 minutes, and with your washcloth clean your face and get your hair wet too. After doing this, bathe yourself with cool water. Here are the benefits of vinegar bath. 1. Soothes skin problems. Taking a bath with a vinegar cuts the chances down of inflammations in the body. It also helps with curing the body of infections caused by bacteria. It can be helpful for the ones that are sunburned with relieving the pain and swelling. For other medical conditions that vinegar bath is helpful are athlete's foot, eczema, yeast infections, and even dandruff can disappear by using this. 2. Rebalances pH levels. Maintaining the right acidic level of pH of your skin can be helped by soaking into vinegar. This acidic level helps the skin to fight with toxins, but it is eliminated with the use of body washes and soaps which are alkaline base. 3. Reduce body odor. An unpleasant body smell occurs when bacteria mixes with sweat or moisture from the body and develops in the warm moist environment, particularly in places such as underarm. Vinegar can help with vanishing the bacteria and reduce the smell. It also makes difficult to the smell to increase,